So here we have a standard kick drum. So Waves has a number of really good compressors, and one of them is the Kramer PIE compressor, or the Pi compressor as I like to call it. So I am going to be using the mono one in this case because a kick drum is low end information. So that means it needs to be sitting in mono in the mix so that it translates well to a big sound rig like a festival stage sound rig or a club environment. So we're going to be using that one. Now this compressor is pretty standard as far as what the parameters are that you have available to adjust here. The only thing missing here is an attack parameter, but you do have the threshold, you have the decay time, which would be the release, basically same thing, and then you have the compression ratio and then the output. So to kind of adjust this similar to how you would do it on an Ableton compressor, I have the ratio always at about 2.1, and then I put the decay time all the way down to have a quick release. And then the idea here is you want this meter up here to be bouncing on each kick. You want it to be moving. You don't want it to be frozen. So right now you see that it's still frozen. And that means it's being overly compressed, or it's not really being affected by a threshold. There's no gain reduction being applied, actually. So we're going to bring down this threshold until we start seeing this needle start moving. And you can see now we have gain reduction being applied. And we can actually boost this output to make up for the volume that we're losing on the gain reduction here. So just to give a sense of where we are on as far as headroom here. You can actually put this pretty far. So the idea here is that you're kind of pulling back the threshold until you have some gain reduction being applied, and then boost the output to make up for the gain reduction. And it adds a nice, thick, warm compression to the kick, I find. So we have without it. Obviously you could barely hear it. With it. Now keep in mind I still have gain staging being applied here, which is at -16. So it went from -26 at our peak of the kick to -9 at the peak of the kick after it's been compressed. So it does a really good job to bring up the kick and add a lot of warmth and punch to it. So try it out, see what you can do.